Hi everyone, welcome to Data Analytics blog. In this video, I will show you how you can use camera to in Excel, the camera function in Excel. I will show you how you can use it to enhance your dashboard, and I will walk you through how the camera tools works in Excel, and also how it makes your dashboard to update automatically. If this is your first time in my page, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to receive update on all the tutorial that I share every week. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And in this tutorial, this camera tool is in Excel allow you to add images, and whenever you make an update on the at the back end, the dashboard, the camera image will update automatically. Yes, I just discovered this camera tools, and it's very useful, especially when you are working with maybe a table and you want it to update automatically whenever you are making a change at the back end. So this camera tool is the perfect tool, the perfect function for you to use for such case. And then I'm going to show you how to enable it in your what's it called in your Excel. So if you don't have it yet, all you need to do is to go to file, or you can click on any of the you can click here or go to file. Either way, go to file and then click option. When you click option, go to quick access toolbar, and then come right to this place and click on all commands. Once you click on all command, let me click it again. Yes, all command. Scroll down to where you will see camera. So thank God everything is what's it called, this is it. Then you click on add. I already have it in my what's it called, I have it here already. I've already added it. So once you click on add, it will be placed here. Then you click OK. Then you will see it that it will show here. So that's how to do that. That's how to add it to your what's it called, to your tools bar. So now let's start to explore this camera tool. So the next thing now is to show you how to use this camera tool. So you select assuming this is the data that I want to use. Probably I want to use it. I don't want to see it. If I place it as a table in my dashboard, and if I update it here, automatically it will not update, except if I insert it as a formula. But there is a simple way we can do that, which is the camera tool. So all you need to do is select the data you want to do, highlight the data you want to or you want to take the picture, and click on the camera. So you highlight the data, highlight it, and click on camera. Already click on camera, and then you will see as soon as you have done this, you will see a plus sign, and the next thing to do is to click anywhere else in the worksheet. So just place it here. Can you see it now that we have it has already placed, it has already created an image for us from the selected data. So the interesting thing about this image is that it is a live image. It means that if I change the data in the original data, if I change the data here, if I change anything here, it's going to reflect here. The picture will update automatically. So this image will update automatically if I change anything here. So let's assume I change this to, let me change this Mexico, I change it to Africa. Can you see now that it has already, here it's also updated there. I change that to Africa, you see that it's got updated in the image. So this is the advantage of using camera to one of the advantages. In fact, the advantage, important thing of using camera to that. If you use camera to create an image for your dashboard, that image will always update automatically whenever there is a change at the back end of the data. So if you click on the image, you can also see that it's reference is referencing, or you can see that it's reference a formula. You can see that what it's reference some cells in the formula bar. So if I place it, if I play around it and then change the formula, you will see that it has updated. So let's assume I don't want to see Africa. I don't want to see the information on Africa. Let's say I'm starting from, uh, okay, let's say I'm starting from column, okay, let's say column 2 or column 3. Let's say I'm starting from column 3. You can see now that it removed the header and also the first information, which is the what's it called, which is Africa information. So anything you change here, it will also reflect here. You can also format this camera too. You can also format it any way you want. So just click on the format and click on format picture, or you right click and click on format picture, and it will give you this. So you can either fill it, you can remove the border, then again we can do no fee, then you can do solid fee. Let's assume I'm adding a color here. You can see you can add different color, to this place. So you can do different things, you can format it. I can add different color. Again, what else can I do? You can add shadow effect. Can you see how it pop out? You can add reflection, you can add glow effect, down to any effect that you want to add to it. You can add it. You can increase the size of the, you can do anything there. Just make sure that, or what's it called, just make sure that you click on the camera, the image, and also uh, add the necessary effects that you want to add to it. You can do different things here. So another way to do this again is by doing, you can copy and paste by pasting as link picture. So if I copy this particular image now, assuming I don't want to use camera 2 and I want to copy the image. If maybe you don't have a camera 2 in your home, and then you want to copy the image, depending on the Excel, that's the Excel version, Office version that you're using. But I'm using Microsoft Excel 2021, so I have all this information here. So assuming that you want to do copy and paste, you want to copy this, so copy this, then you can paste as what's it called, paste as, go to paste special, then come right here and link picture. So also this, also whatever you change here to, if you change anything here, let's assume I change this to Australia, it's going to have effect too, because also is a live effect. But what this is a live effect here. But I think the advantage camera 2 has over this is that I think it doesn't have, you cannot add, there's something that you cannot have, probably the borderline. It doesn't have the borderline. So there is an advantage, but I prefer to use the camera 2 also, because the camera 2 makes my works pop out and also make it finer than the other, or the other, what's it called, make it fine and come out very well than this. So that is all about this camera tool, and I hope you find this information useful, and I believe you've learned a new thing in Excel. So there are a lot of things to learn in Excel, and I'm going to be sharing some tips that I just found out, that some function that I just found out that is very helpful, and it will make our work very easier. I'm going to be sharing it. So stay tuned to my page. Make sure you subscribe to my page. Give me your feedback in this comment. Give me your feedback. Subscribe to my page, and also like, share, and comment. Bye.